everybody. Porch Light here. Now, I wasn't gonna do video, but I just happened to be over in this bed right here. I don't know what setting this is on, but I think it's a better setting. And I'm just sitting here trying to pull these daggone, what do you call it? Dandelion out the bed. We know we love dandelion, but just not in the bed. And lo and behold, I see beets just laying here. Now, I saw one over there earlier this week, but I ain't paying no mind. But I just saw beets just sitting up in the bed, chilling. Got that one clean. So what this, see, I'm gonna have some dandelions popping up. I'm not getting them by the root because I'm being lazy. We'll deal with that as it comes. Be that as it may, what I'm trying to tell y'all is, don't be just clearing out your bed willy-nilly, okay? Because you probably got some good stuff hidden in there from the wintertime. You know, people think that, oh yeah, it's winter or it's fall, so my bed is done. Not necessarily. Because the last several videos I've been doing, y'all see this is stuff that's already been grown. So, I just want to give y'all a word to the wise. Now, we starting to get it back together. I put down some more mulch. I don't know what happened to that. We got the comfrey back. Look. I don't even know how this got planted. Now, if y'all know what that is, put that in the comments, because I know what it is. Needless to say, y'all, we are back in business. Man, that just looked like something I just got cut off. But that looked like a whole head of cabbage right there. And look, here's another thing, pro tip. Now, y'all may see that this don't look that good here, but look at that. That's greenish right there. So now, all I gotta do is come over here and bloop, bloop. There we go. Back in business. And when I tell you that this looked like it did last year, right now, see, the key ain't this or this. Sometimes the key is to look in here, and if you see something green in there, then it's still ready to go. And when I tell you this junk was limp, oh, it was limp. Now, another thing I haven't bought a lot of recently is, what is this called, y'all? Y'all know what this is called. Horseradish. Now, I used to have a bunch of horseradish in there, gone. But I had a little bit in there, still there. And I'm telling you right now, that oregano is a beautiful, beautiful thing. And it is very healthy for y'all. And I made up my mind once I found out how healthy oregano is, to plant it everywhere. So, and look at that, I pulled that out the woods. Out my homemade woods, and now I got them everywhere. So look, y'all, what you need to do is sustain yourself and plant stuff that can grow itself. It's not always about, you know, going to your little Lowe's or Home Depot and always having to start another garden, plant your annuals. No. Keep your plants going, you know what I'm saying? And this goes to show that you can do two things at once when you're gardening, so it's not even that hard. If I can talk to y'all with sticks holding the daggone camera, then that should tell you something. But look, just go ahead and plant your stuff, y'all. Just put seeds in the ground. See all them seeds in there, something gonna grow. Another thing I've been doing is taking this Miner's lettuce, pulling it from there because I don't know how I got there, and putting it in the ground. These peas I planted a month ago, finally coming up. And I don't know, y'all gonna have to look that up for me. Oh, another pro tip, I say this every year. This could even be broccoli, but guess what? I don't care. Go ahead, take off them seedlings, or whatever they call, and let them things get strong, y'all. This is some good plantation here. Oh, I ain't mean it like that. Well, let me get off this line before I mess around and say something else I shouldn't say. All right, y'all. And out.